In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop from Alibaba for personal use, 2025, step by step. If you want to buy just a single item from Alibaba without dealing with bulk orders, this walkthrough will guide you from search to secure payment. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Alibaba, then click the first result to head to the official site. Once you're in, log into your account so your cart, address, and payment options sync correctly and checkout is smooth. Next, click the search box and type what you're looking for, like women's clothes. On the results page, pay close attention to the minimum order requirement on each listing. For personal use, you want items that clearly show a minimum order of one piece. You can also use filters to narrow down results, such as setting the minimum order to one and choosing options like ready to ship when available. Taking a moment to confirm this detail helps you avoid sellers that require bulk quantities. When you find a product that fits, click it to open the product page. Click Start Order to begin. Choose your preferred color, then select your size. Always review the size chart or measurements in the description to match your usual fit and reduce the chance of returns. If you want more than one piece, use the small plus button next to the size or quantity field to increase the number. With your selection set, click Start Order again to proceed to checkout. Here, choose your payment method. If you don't have a saved card yet, the site will prompt you to add one. Click Add a new card, then carefully enter your card details, including the number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure the billing name and address match your bank records to avoid declines and click Confirm to save the card. Before you finalize, review the order summary. Check the item, color, size, quantity, shipping cost, estimated delivery time, and total amount. Also note any taxes or import duties that may apply in your location. When everything looks correct, click Pay Now to complete your purchase through Alibaba's secure checkout. That's it. Your order is placed. You'll see an on-screen confirmation and receive an email. The seller will prepare your item for shipment, and you can monitor updates and tracking from your order page. For peace of mind, stick with listings that clearly allow a one-piece minimum, verify options like color and size, and complete payment only through the official Alibaba checkout. Enjoy your purchase and happy shopping!